After this, I see who is leading. Wow. Ikenna, and Ikenna lead. This one got you guys. Are you kidding me? Wow. Only one person answered that one right. Okay. Hmm. So Kamsi is leading now. Okay, let's see. We have 6 more questions. Three more questions. Whoa, Emeka took a lead. Are you kidding me? Ah, okay, let's see what happened. You guys can see the screen, right? Amarachi, you are the third person. Emeka second. And who is this number one person? Kamsi Obi. Wow, Kamsi took a lead. Wow. Guys, okay, good job for these 3 people. I know the fourth person,
Dalu.
somebody else, Ralo and somebody else. But you guys did good. Okay, so let's view the summary here. Let's see the summary, but you need to go over this. I will post it though. So Machete, only 12% correct. 12% correct. So we're gonna show the answer here. All right, so it's so you see the answer? It's mma oge. It's mma oge. Machete is mma oge. Some of you, one person said because I hear mma. You don't answer something if you don't like. You can't just. There's no such a thing as I hear mma. Okay. Now put the light off. 12% only. Okay. The answer is banyo. Banyo. We see that. Banyo. Can you guys see the screen? You can see the screen, right?
Yeah.
Most people got it wrong. 4 people. And I think somebody is not answering anything because I don't know. The other person said no, and 2 people didn't even answer anything. And then one person got it right. So you need to really pay attention to what you're answering. This is 5 seconds because it's not that hard. Now, rag, 12% again. Rag, okay, let's see. One person, one person got it right. The rest of you were everywhere. So, is what it is. Now, kitchen things, 25%. Wow. Kitchen things, only 2 people. Ihe, ihe ndị nọ na usekwu. I know the word were together here. It's supposed to be ihe ndị nọ n'usekwu. That's good. 2 people got it right. So it's ihe ndị nọ n'usekwu. 2 people didn't. 5 people did not answer this question. Wow, guys, we need to do better than this. 5 people did not answer. See, now we have ọnụ ụzọ. 2 people only. Got it. So look at that. Ọnụ ụzọ is door or maọbụ ụzọ. All right. And 3 people say front yard. 1 person did not answer. It looks like that person wearing in the class, right? When this thing was going on. You have to read the next one. I need everybody to make effort to answer. I know this is 5 seconds, but the next quiz will be like 10 seconds. This one, the sponge. 2 people only. What's going on here, guys? 2 people only. Sponge is Obo. And you guys were 2 people did not answer. So it looks like some people just, and I'm going to post a breakdown so that you see what your own name, what you did. So you have to really be alive in the class when everything is going on. Scoop. You know, I will post everything. You go over yourself and see the answer. Because if we continue to do this, we won't have time to do another one. So let's go ahead and do another, do the pronouns. So go over, I will post the summary and then you go over yourself. Okay, guys? So let's go ahead and get out of here and do something else. So the podium is this, so we're gonna go back and do something else. Oh, come on. Okay, stop sharing. Let me go out and do, no. I'm supposed to leave it there. 1 second. Okay, so we're going to do another one. It's just this thing is blocking everywhere. It's not letting me do something. Oh boy. Come on. 1 second. I don't know why it's not letting me get out of here. It's not letting me do something. 1 second. I'm going to pause it.
Try going back to the library in the tab.
It's not letting me see the library. That's it.
No, like up top, like above the search
tab.
bar. Yes, above the search bar.
How
It
can you
says
guys? I can't see. Oh, okay. My this thing is blocking it from my own side. Okay, yeah, I see.
All you had to do was check the library on the tab.
Okay, go ahead. Kenna, where is it? Jesus Christ, this thing gonna.
Got it.
There.
You got it.
Okay. All right. Ready, everybody? We're going to do the pronoun.
Is touchscreen?
Mhm. Okay, get ready. So we're not doing group, we are doing individuals again. I want everybody to answer their own. Okay, 7332896. Don't waste time so that we have enough time to finish it. Come on, everybody. Shouldn't take your time to comment, call in. One more person. We're waiting for one more person. Come on. Where is the person? Who are we waiting for here? You need to call in right now, else we're starting. Jacob is here, Kamsi is here, Raleigh is here, Chiamaka is here, Amarachi, Big Uche. Who else are we waiting for? Okay. Who are we waiting for? Who is not able to call in? You're wasting time. Who is the person not here? Oh my God. I'm looking at the, okay. Chiamaka is here. Who else is not here? Kamsi is here. Ralu is here. Jacob. Oh, okay. I see Jacob is using two. Listen, okay. All right, we need to start. Yeah, this one, I think you have 10 seconds. That's a lot of time. Yeah, I'm gonna change it to 5. 10 seconds is too long. I can't believe some people are failing this. Because you guys don't never practice it. You have to go there and practice. Okay, who is still leading? I think Emeka Haya. Okay. Two more questions. Last question. All right, let's see the podium. Okay, come see Nkonye Kato. Amarachi Anako, Onye Kabo. Let's see the number one person. Guys, awesome. Che and the Ralo. Chiamaka and Ralo are the runner-ups. Okay, guys, please, you can go there and quiz yourself. And don't forget to do your reading. And I will send you something you will also do next week since there will be no class next week. So you have to work on something, especially your reading. Okay, I will post this Kahoot probably tomorrow because we're performing tonight as well at an event. All right. Wakemesiano.
Claudia.
Okay.
Audio.
Auntie, I have a question.
You say what?
I have a question.
Okay, go ahead.
My dad, he can't find the reading.
Is it okay? I will check to see if I added your dad. What's your dad's name again?
Patrick.
Patrick. Okay, I'll make sure that I added him. Probably I forgot to add him, but I'll do that, okay?
Okay.
And then I'll get back to you guys, all right?
All right.
All right, thank you, Jacob. Okay, everybody, see ya.
Adios.
Okay, miss you.
Adios.